Welcome to my channel. If you're new here to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below or hit the notifications up top to get the latest uploads. And today I'm going to be actually coming to you to give you a demo slash product review on the Knockoff Felicia Leatherwood brush, detangling brush. So this detangling brush, I have not opened it. I ordered it and it's been sitting here for 2 weeks because I haven't had any time to make a video. But I wanted to come to you today to bring you this. Now I'm going to be using this today as my wash day, so I'm going to be untwisting my hair, taking this dusty rag off my head, and I'm really excited to see how this works. Now I have bought many detangling brushes in the past. This is unlike the Tangle Teaser or the Demon brush. Now I don't have either one of those brushes, but I do have something similar to those brushes, and I have featured those in product reviews, but this one is a little bit different. So this is something that you can use on wet or dry hair. I really want to try this on wet hair because I always have a harder time detangling my hair. So this is an unboxing, which I have not. So it's going to see this. And you know what? I forgot my scissors, but I hope this is easy to, easy to take out the packaging. Oh, this is so cute. Look, this is what I'm talking about. The bristles separate. So this actually makes it easy to glide through your hair. It's less pulling and tugging. And it's a fan model. I like the bristles there. It's made out of plastic. It's a soft plastic. It has a good hold, very comfortable. Wow, this is, I can just tell I'm gonna love this brush. I can just tell. Now it comes with, I don't know what this is used for. Now I got this off of Amazon. I'm not exactly sure what this is used for. Maybe this is, if you don't want to have it move, maybe you can lock it. Lock the bristles. I don't know. It doesn't say on here, but I'll read this. It says for all hair types. It's called the Next Generational Professional Brush that brings immediate hair relief detangle brush. Has a revolutionary patent technology, features a unique climatic structure with 8 free moving arms that glide through your hair and smooth it out. Indulge in wonderfully gentle yet effective brushing that actually conditions and strengthens your hair, leaving it healthy, shiny, and full of body. So stop pulling your hair and start pampering it. Well, today is a pamper day, and I will come back with a demo, and I'm going to be blow drying my hair to do my next featured video, which is a viewer's request, and I'm trying to think of what else. That's pretty much it, so stay tuned real quick. As soon as I turned off the camera, I started messing around with that little piece that it came with, and it does lock in place. So all you do is adjust those tabs, and you just insert it into each tab. So this way it locks it in place, and then you can use it as a regular brush to detangle without it moving. So I just wanted to show you the extra additional feature that it does come with. I think that is so cool that you can actually use it both ways. And it does have wide space bristles, so I just love this. I was really undecided whether I should get the Felicia Leatherwood brush or this one. But I just went ahead and got this one. I think this one is a lot cheaper. I think the Felicia Leatherwood is, I think, about $20, and that includes shipping. This one was, I think, $12, and that's with no shipping, because of course with Amazon I always go overboard with spending. So this was free shipping, because I also ordered other things, other products. And there's other products I'm going to be featuring, so just stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to show you. The only thing with this I've noticed, it doesn't stay locked. So this may not be, that's the only con that I have that I see, is that it's not locking it. It locks the two ends, but as far as the middle brush bristles, it's not staying in place. So just keep that in mind, because I've been playing around with it, and it doesn't stay locked. It kind of moves. I don't know if I have a defective one, but it's not staying in place. It only holds the last two on the ends. So I'll come back. I'm not going to actually use this, because the whole point of me getting this brush is for me to be able to use it so it's more flexible for my coily 4C texture. Okay, so here's the rundown on this brush, this first impressions product review demo. I would prefer to use this on wet hair. I noticed it ran through when I actually spritzed it with water and used my coconut mani leave-in. These two, it just glided through my hair like butter on the first couple of passes. But when I put the mousse in, and I actually used the mousse, it was restricted. It wasn't combing through as easy, and it felt like it was actually getting stuck in my hair. So I would recommend this for detangling with water and your leave-in conditioner. I did not detangle with my deep conditioner because I just don't think it may work, but my deep conditioner does not have any silicones in it, so I'm not sure. As far as the brush goes, I do recommend it. It cleans well, very easy to pull out the hair, and I'm sure it's going to be easy to wash. I think that's it. I mean, I don't really have any cons besides once I put the mousse, it was not sliding through as easy. But I do recommend it for washing with wet hair. Now, on the last section, I did try it on dry hair, and I didn't like how it felt. It felt like it was dragging, wasn't combing through as easy. So for me, I would not use this on dry hair, but you can try it and see if you like it. If you like this video, give it 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get the uploaded latest. Did I just say rewind? Get the latest updates on my channel. And we will chat later. Bye-bye.